Unlock the ultimate convenience and control your garage door with just your voice. No Apple TV needed. First, ensure your Meross garage door opener is properly installed and powered on then. Download and open the Meross app on your smartphone or tablet if you don't have an account. Create one now once logged in. Tap the plus icon to add a new device. Select Garage Door Opener from the list. And follow the on-screen prompts to connect your device to your home Wi-Fi network. This usually involves selecting your Wi-Fi name and entering your password. The app will guide you through the connection process, which might take a minute or two. With your Meross garage door opener successfully added to the Meross app, it's time to link it with your preferred voice assistant. We'll cover both Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa for Google Assistant. Open the Google Home app and tap the plus icon to add a device. Choose Works with Google Search for Meross and select it from the list. You'll be prompted to log into your Meross account to authorize the connection. Once authenticated, your Meross garage door opener will appear in your Google Home app. For Amazon Alexa, open the Alexa app and navigate to Skills and Games. Search for the Meross Skill tap, Enable to Use, and log into your Meross account to link it. Alexa will then discover your devices, and your Meross garage door opener will be ready to control. You can then assign it to a room within your Alexa app for easier organization. Now for the magic. You can now command your garage door directly. Try saying, "Hey Google, open the garage door," or "Alexa, close the garage door." Remember, for security, you might be prompted to set up a voice PIN. You can usually do this within the Google Home or Alexa app settings for the Meross device. This adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring only authorized users can operate the door by voice. This integration offers fantastic hands-free convenience. You can check your garage door status, open it for a visitor from anywhere in your house, or close it if you forgot as you're leaving, all without lifting a finger. If you encounter any issues, remember to check your Wi-Fi signal strength. Ensure your Meross device is online in the Meross app, and that your voice assistant app is up to date. Enjoy your intelligently controlled garage.